Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we're going to be replacing the camber arms on the RSX. I was driving the car the other day and noticed that it was like getting really shaky from the rear, so came home, jacked it up, and realized that one of the camber arms is loose and popped out of the bushing. So went ahead and ordered some new ones, so we're going to get ready to replace them. So here we have the old camber arm, and as you guys can see, it already popped out the bushing, so I'm guessing that's what causes all the shaking in the rear of the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. It's just these two bolts back here and this bolt back here, and then we're gonna pop the new one in. I'm gonna try to adjust this one the same way this one is. If not, I'll have to take the car to alignment, I think. So let's knock it out. So here we have the old one. This thing just fell right out when I took the camber arm off from this side, but we're gonna get ready to install the new one, and I'm gonna try to put it at the same length as this one, so it's not that much of a difference. So new camber arm in on this side, and about to install this one on this other side, so let's get to it. Both camber arms are in and they're looking good. I am gonna run to my boy's house right now to get some stock wheels, because I'm taking these off my car because I am going to sell it. I am gonna run a different setup. Stay tuned for that. I'm not gonna say what kind of wheels I'm getting. I'm gonna let you guys stay tuned. So let's make our way. Well, let's clean up and make our way to my boy's house to pick up the stocks. So we got the car aligned and put the new wheels on one side. I still have to do this side. But guys, the new wheels on this car look so fucking sick, guys. I sold my reps and I was thinking, you know, it's about time I make a big boy purchase and get some good wheels. So these wheels look amazing. I went with some 18s by 9.5 with an offset of 38. And I really don't regret it. The fitment is awesome, guys. Let me give y'all a sneak peek of how this fitment looks. Car just looks awesome now. So here's a little peek of how the fitment looks, guys. I like it. I think it looks dope. I'm gonna go ahead and jack this side up, put the new wheels on this side, and reveal the new wheels to you guys. They look so freaking awesome. That is all we have for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button and leave a comment, and stay tuned for our next video where we reveal the new car, which is right here next to me.